The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi's latest smartphone called Redmi Note 15 is now official in China, with smart AI features. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi Note 15 features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 3200 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen is protected by Dragon Crystal Glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi Note 15 features a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5800 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on HyperOS 2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP66 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164 by 75.42 by 7.4 millimeters, and it weighs around 178 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi Note 15 has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in midnight black, sky blue, and star white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 15 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.